So our little injector puller kit also comes with a little pipe cleaner kind of brush to get down in there and clean the injector holes out. With all this debris in here, I'm going to go get the vacuum and clean all that up because I don't want any of that shite to go down into the cylinders. I think I'm also going to pull this stud just to give me better access here. All right, let's do it. There's our new injector. I went with brand new ones rather than reman. Teflon seal is already installed, so we don't have to size it. Should service information just says push them in firmly. So we'll see how that goes. Got the DI injector bores cleaned out with the pipe cleaner tool. Basically, we orientate this little tab on the injectors to that notch in the cylinder head. That's going to go in there. It's already, these are new injectors, so the Teflon seal is already installed, and we're just supposed to be able to push them in firmly, is what service information says. Oh, yeah, no bueno. Try another one. That goes in there. Line it up. Oh, yeah, no. So the alternative that service information says is to use the removal tool as a boot. So that just goes onto the collar, and then we'll drive them in with a hammer that way. So let's go get that. What service information says is to just install the tool and then to use it. So we got our alignment tab in place. You hear that noise, right? The tone changed, so that means we're seated all the way. So we can just unscrew that, wiggle the tool off, and that injector is good to go. We'll just repeat on this one. Okay. Okay, line up our little tab with the notch. There we go. We hear the noise change. We are fully seated. 2 more to go.